Ready. Go ahead.
Hi, this is Carolyn with Balloon and Party Service, and welcome to our video, our instruction video for our 6-foot Minnie Mouse number balloon column kit. And just very easy instructions here. This is what you will be containing in your kit. You'll have the number 1, you'll have the Minnie Mouse balloons. You're going to have twisties for the arms and also to connect one balloon to the other. And then you'll have 12-inch latex balloons, and you'll also get polka dot balloons in your kit. So we're going to start today. We do have some balloons blown. So we're going to take 2 of our quads, and the quads are done by blowing up 2 12-inch balloons and tying them together at the knot. And once you get them tied together, then you'll just match the knots together and twist them together for security. So what I've already done is we have these blown, and also we've taken one of the twisties and tied the twisty. These are your twisty balloons here. You have 6 in your kit. And you're going to take one of these twisties and you'll tie them to your knot on the water balloon. This water balloon weight, and you see this is about the size of an average orange. And you're going to tie this to your water weight, and this is what's going to hold your balloon up, so you make sure you have a good weight. And then you're going to tie this water balloon weight securely to the knots that you've already twisted. You're gonna make sure it's tied. And you'll see the water balloon on the end here. We're gonna get another set of balloons, 2 more quads here. We'll twist those together. And we'll put them in the grooves of the first quad. You're gonna bring your twisty balloons up, one on each side, and we're going to tie them in a knot securely. This is going to make the base of your balloons. This is what, as long as this base is good and sturdy, your balloons should stay up, to stand up. So what we have on the end of, this is the middle part of your number 1. You got twisties, you're going to tie to that. We're going to lock these twisties securely on the base. I'm bringing the twisty all the way through to the bottom. You're going to tie it so that it's tied right with the weight. The boss part twisty here. Okay, so now we have our number 1 on our base. Stands. Now we're going to take another twister here. We're going to tie it to the neck of our Minnie Mouse head. And for our head, we also have our quad here of your polka dot balloons. And we'll tie this securely to the head. And after we tie securely to the head, we're going to use the tails of our twisty balloons here to tie to the numbers So we're going to take one side of the twisty and we'll tie it to the number on one side. Now on some of these numbers, your tie will be directly in the middle. So you just tie it all to the middle. Or on some of these, like the ones and the twos, it'll be 2 tie points. So we're going to tie one side, we'll tie to the other side. And once we have it tied securely, there we go. It stands up. No helium involved at all. And now, once we get this tie, we can trim our tie points here. And then the last is your arms. So we're going to take the 2 black twisties, and we'll blow them up. And what you have on the end is about 3 fingers. You're going to measure about 3 fingers. You're going to leave that up here. This will keep your twisty balloons from bursting when you tie them together. We'll tie them together at a knot. And all you have to do is just slide them in under the neck of the middle. And then you have your arms. Now to make it more realistic, this is why you have your tail. Make an elbow, just squeeze it together, twist. Elbow on this side. Squeeze it together, twist. We can give them some hands. Just take the nipple here, twist it. It's got hands. You can make it long or short. And the other side. Just twist it. And you can mold his arms where you'd like. And then you have your Minnie Mouse, 6 foot, stands with no helium, no framework. Have a good party.